Peacock flowers, also known as Caesalpinia pulcherrima, are tropical shrubs or small trees that thrive in full sun and well-drained soil. This plant is easy to find in any Vietnamese family, then grown in many streets in Brisbane. They require consistent watering, especially when establishing, and should be pruned regularly to encourage bushier growth and more vibrant blooms. Growing conditions. Peacock flowers need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Well-draining soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.5 is essential. Amend the soil with organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure to improve fertility and drainage. Water 1 to 2 times per week when the plant is young and established, then bi-weekly. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so ensure the soil is well drained. Peacock flowers prefer temperatures between 60 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Maintain a high level of humidity by misting the plant, using a humidifier, or placing it on a pebble tray with water. Care tips. Regular pruning promotes bushier growth and more vibrant blooms. Apply some floral fertilizer in spring to support blooming. While peacock flowers are relatively pest-free, keep an eye out for caterpillars, spider mites, and scale insects. Peacock flowers can be propagated through seeds or cuttings. Additional notes. Peacock flowers are drought-tolerant but are also susceptible to root rot if overwatered. Some people report that peacock trees have thorny branches, especially when young. The flowering stage typically begins 2 to 3 months after the peacock flower enters its vegetative phase.